Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Larmliss women's cross-back apron. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This apron is made of 100% cotton and is machine washable. The cotton material is soft and comfortable, but also durable to better help protect from any stains or dust, depending on what I am working on. There are two large pockets on the side with a pleated design. The pockets are a really nice touch because I can use it to store tools or utensils that I might need while I am using it. It is also long enough that it covers my knees, so this apron protects my clothes even when I am kneeling in the garden, weeding, or planting something. It also has a unique design that doesn't require having to deal with the hassle of tying anything. To wear it, all you have to do is slip it on and you are good to go, making it very easy to wear and very easy to take off as well. Overall, I really like this apron. Not only is it multi-purpose and can be used for all kinds of projects, but it is also large enough to protect my clothes from everyday messes. If you are in the market for a comfortable, easy-to-wear, no-tie apron, whether for cooking, gardening, working on art projects, or any other purposes, definitely take a look at this.